Lucas in the Kitchen is done with strict adult supervision and assistance. Do not attempt anything you see without an adult's permission and supervision. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Lucas in the Kitchen. Today we're making peanut butter cookies. Always wash your hands. The grown-up too. You need creamy peanut butter, half cup each, a packed light brown sugar, and granulated sugar. 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon each, baking soda, and vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, also a big bowl, and 2 cookie sheets lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Let's get started. Peanut butter first. It's sticky. Get out the peanut butter. Delicious. I love being a cook. Next is the sugars. Mix it up well. Make sure it's all combined. A wooden spoon will work better. Now we can add the salt, baking soda, egg and vanilla. Oops! And you practice cracking the eggs. Wash your hands if you get egg on them. Time to mix again. All done, but I wanna add a secret ingredient. Chocolate covered candy coated candies. I'm using peanut butter ones. Form your cookie dough into golf ball sized balls. You should get 14 to 16 of them. Use a fork to fathom them in 2 directions, like this. Be careful with the oven, it's hot in there. Then adult, put the sheets into the oven. It should take 10 to 12 minutes. Be sure to rotate your sheets halfway through. When they look like they're browning, they're ready. As a grown-up, take the sheets out and turn off the oven. Looks yummy! Move the cookies to the cooling rack for about 5 minutes. I can't wait to eat these. So good. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching.